Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the HOTWAV Pad 8. So when I have a problem with my headphones or another Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way. Just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your tablet. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated Pair mode, and how to activate Pair mode you will find in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your tablet. Open the settings, swipe down and choose the system. Select the reset options and choose Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Now tap on the reset settings, configure your pattern or the code, and tap on the reset settings button. After that, look again on the Bluetooth list for your device. In the next step you can also try to update your system, so you have to open the system like before and go to the system update. Now tap on the check for update button. If you have any, just install it and look for your device again. And in the last tip, check your Bluetooth accessory and your tablet on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.